Have you ever wondered what powers a nation's heartbeat? Today, we embark on a journey through India's top 10 richest cities, a tapestry of economic might, technological innovation, and cultural vibrancy. Welcome to a story of dreams, progress, and relentless ambition. In the next 10 minutes, we will explore dynamic urban landscapes that have not only become financial powerhouses, but have also redefined India's global standing. Prepare to witness how history, industry, and modern ingenuity merge to create cities that pulse with energy and promise. Our story begins in Mumbai, often revered as the city of dreams. Mumbai stands at the intersection of heritage and modern finance. Home to the Bombay Stock Exchange and the Reserve Bank of India, the city generates over 6% of the country's GDP. Here, the towering Bandra Kurla complex and Nariman Point symbolize both luxury and ambition. Corporate giants such as Reliance Industries and Tata Group find a strategic base in this vibrant metropolis. The city is a blend of high-speed commerce and creative expression, with Bollywood's glamour rubbing elbows with upscale real estate. Despite the challenges of congestion and steep living costs, Mumbai's flair and financial might continue to attract dreamers and doers alike. It is an urban arena where economic vigor meets artistic soul. As we leave Mumbai's bustling streets behind, our journey takes us to Delhi, a capital that seamlessly intertwines political authority with economic prowess. Delhi is a sprawling metropolis enriched by a deep historical narrative and dynamic modernity. This city powers India through its robust services, trade, and manufacturing sectors. The expansive national capital region, including the innovative hubs in Gurugram and Noida, amplifies its economic influence. Delhi's vibrant markets and iconic districts, such as Connaught Place, stand as testaments to its commercial strength. Modern infrastructure, efficient metro systems, and a thriving retail scene further define its stature. In Delhi, age-old monuments coexist with towering skyscrapers, narrating an ongoing saga of progress and transformation. Next, we arrive at Bengaluru, India's very own Silicon Valley. Bengaluru is renowned globally as a tech hub that fuels the nation's IT engine. Here, companies like Infosys, Wipro, and TCS drive software exports with vigor, contributing over $110 billion annually. The bustling corridors of Whitefield, Electronic City, and the Outer Ring Road buzz with innovation and startup energy. Young minds and seasoned tech professionals converge to build solutions that redefine the digital landscape. Amidst cutting-edge developments, the charm of a cosmopolitan lifestyle prevails. Bengaluru's pleasant climate and rich academic fabric nurture a culture of creativity and relentless drive. This city is a brilliant example of how technology and tradition form a compelling partnership, marking it as a global beacon of innovation. Leaving the tech brilliance of Bengaluru, we set our sights on Hyderabad, the high-tech city that gracefully balances tradition with modernity. Once celebrated for its rich heritage, Hyderabad has rapidly emerged as a tech and pharmaceutical hub. Known as Cyberabad, the city is home to technology giants like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. The iconic high-tech city pulses with opportunities that attract global investors and innovative startups. Alongside its IT prowess, Hyderabad has carved out a niche in pharmaceuticals and biotechnology, earning the title of India's pharma capital. Historical landmarks such as Charminar and Golconda Fort lend the city its timeless beauty and sense of legacy. Hyderabad's rapid infrastructure development and commitment to sustainable growth make it a compelling model of resilience and smart urban planning. Our journey continues to Chennai, a city where culture and industry blend in perfect harmony. Chennai is celebrated as both an industrial powerhouse and a bastion of cultural heritage. Often called the Detroit of India, the city's booming automobile sector is rivaled only by its flourishing IT and healthcare industries. home to expansive IT parks like Tidal Park and modern facilities that drive trade through one of the country's largest ports. Chennai exemplifies economic diversity. The streets of Chennai echo with the rhythms of Tamil cinema, classical music, and age-old traditions, even as modern high-rises and sprawling malls redefine its skyline. Here, the promise of progress coexists with a deep-rooted cultural pride that continues to inspire its people every day. Transitioning from the vibrant industrial landscape of Chennai, we arrive at Pune, an emerging metro that has reinvented itself as a critical economic hub. Historically recognized for its educational institutions and cultural legacy, Pune has transformed into a dynamic center for manufacturing, IT, and digital innovation. Major companies such as Infosys, TCS, and Tech Mahindra energize its economy. The city also plays a pivotal role in the automotive sector, with names like Tata Motors and Bajaj Auto steering its industrial growth. Pune's pleasant climate, combined with strategic proximity to Mumbai, has made it a magnet for businesses and professionals alike. Its mix of academia, corporate presence, and quality living conditions creates an environment where innovation flourishes. Pune today is not only a city of learning, but a testament to India's evolving economic narrative. As we reflect on Pune's vibrant transformation, our path leads us to Ahmedabad, Gujarat's economic jewel. Ahmedabad is a city of many faces. Historically known for its bustling textile industry, it has grown into a diversified economic powerhouse. The city has embraced sectors ranging from chemicals and pharmaceuticals to finance and IT. Prominent corporates like Adani Group and Nirma call Ahmedabad home. Modern infrastructure projects, such as the impressive Sabarmati riverfront and advanced transportation networks, highlight the city's forward-thinking mindset. Educational institutions like IIM Ahmedabad underpin a rich tradition of innovation and enterprise. With proactive governance and strategic economic policies, Ahmedabad stands as a beacon of growth, inviting entrepreneurs and investors to be a part of its flourishing future. Our narrative then takes us to Kolkata, a city steeped in history and political heritage. Often celebrated for its intellectual and cultural contributions, Kolkata has long been a significant commercial center. Its economic framework is built on a mix of manufacturing, steel, jute, and mining, combined with a growing IT sector. The city is home to one of India's oldest stock exchanges, a reminder of its financial legacy. Modern industrial zones such as Salt Lake Sector 5 blend seamlessly with traditional markets, creating a landscape that is as diverse as it is dynamic. Kolkata's treasured cultural heritage and storied past are ever present, even as the city evolves to meet the demands of modern trade and industry. Its journey, marked by resilience and reinvention, embodies the spirit of continuity and change. Leaving the historic avenues of Kolkata, our attention shifts to Surat, famously known as the Diamond City. Surat is celebrated globally for handling 90% of the world's diamond cutting and polishing, a feat that underscores its unparalleled industrial acumen. Beyond diamonds, Surat is a bustling textile and trade hub that pushes the boundaries of rapid urbanization. The city's commitment to efficient governance and modern infrastructure has earned it recognition as one of India's cleanest cities. With dynamic growth spurred by vibrant small and medium enterprises, Surat stands as an example of how specialized industries can drive urban success. Its smart city initiatives and expanding transportation networks promise an even more prosperous future. Surat indeed encapsulates the notion that size does not limit the scope of impact or innovation. Our final chapter brings us to Jaipur, the royal city that is gracefully rewriting its economic narrative. Known for its majestic palaces, forts, and iconic pink architecture, Jaipur has long drawn visitors from around the globe. Today, the city is stepping into its role as a burgeoning economic center. Beyond its celebrated tourism and handicrafts, Jaipur is making strides in IT, manufacturing, and real estate development. It is a key player in the Delhi-Mumbai industrial corridor, with modern projects like Mahindra World City propelling its growth. Jaipur's evolution is a blend of heritage and ambition, a city where history informs innovation and economic expansion. The resounding success of Jaipur lies in its ability to honor its royal past while embracing the challenges and opportunities of the modern era. India's top 10 richest cities offer more than just numbers and statistics. They are vibrant narratives of economic ambition, cultural richness, and urban resilience. As we reflect on Mumbai's financial wonders and Delhi's dynamic blend of tradition and modernity, we are reminded of the inexhaustible spirit that drives these metropolises forward. Bengaluru and Hyderabad tell stories of tech revolutions and transformative progress. Chennai and Pune illustrate the seamless integration of industry and heritage. Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Surat, and Jaipur each bring their unique strengths to the rich tapestry of India's economic journey. In this exploration, one key truth emerges. India's cities are not static entities, but evolving epicenters of opportunity and creativity. They face the challenges of rapid urbanization and infrastructure demands with courage and innovation. Each city, with its distinct character and profound legacy, adds to the national narrative of growth and resilience. Today, these urban powerhouses stand as beacons of progress, shining examples of how tradition and modernity can harmonize to create sustainable prosperity. As we conclude our journey, reflect for a moment on the vibrant heartbeat of these cities and the people who drive them. Which city surprised you the most? Your thoughts and insights are the sparks that fuel further dialogue and discovery. Comment below and let your voice be heard. Like, share, and subscribe to World Data Info for more engaging content that connects data with the dynamic spirit of our world.